Hi everyone, my name is Kate. Welcome to this quick demonstration for our new YouTube video question generator tool. Let's check it out. This is one of our new tools, so you're going to see this tool highlighted in the newest section, and here it is right here. I'm going to open up our YouTube video question generator and get started. So here, the first question, it's going to ask for your grade level and subject area. I'm doing second grade science. And then you're going to see we have some simple directions for you to get that transcript from YouTube. Let me pop over to YouTube to do a quick demo of that. So here I have my video. I am doing a video with my second graders on photosynthesis. And to get that transcript, you're going to look at the description, then press more. You're going to scroll all the way down. And then here you'll see it says show transcript. It opens up in this side window here. And then all I have to do is copy and paste it. I'm going to copy that, go back into my Yourway tool, and here I'm going to paste that directly in. So you'll see it has the full transcript here. And then I'm going to go down here and select what question types I want for this video. So I want some open-ended questions, I want multiple choice, and then I want some true, false. If I want to add more detail, I can. So if there's specific vocab words, etc., but this should be enough for me that I want to get started. I'm going to go ahead and press generate new content. You'll see that beans is working. And then here we go. So what I love about this tool is it gives me before video questions, again with just those question types, open-ended, true, false, multiple choice, some while video questions, and after video questions along with my answer key. Remember, these are all aligned directly to the video transcript, which is really fabulous. And then down here, we've also included a rubric for tracking student progress that you can use after students have completed this assignment around the video so that you can give them a score around about what they did. That's it. Now you have your aligned questions for a YouTube video. I hope that you check out this tool soon.